So this is how you can change your gender on Roblox. Let's open up the app, and now I'm going to teach you all about the Roblox clothing thing. As you can see, I chose male as the gender because, well, I am male. Well, what if I wanted to change to female? There's actually no specific gender when it comes to Roblox. Everything's free, all the basic stuff is free. So, this is the man body and torso that I'm currently wearing. But if we go on ahead and tap on the search bar, and search for women. As you can see, the women one is actually for free. So if you go on ahead and tap on this free button at the bottom and then tap on get, it's going to put it in our library where we can go on ahead and wear it. So tap on customize and then tap on purchased and tap on women. So once you switch, as you can see, it changed me into a woman. But basically, I don't think gender really matters on Roblox. It's basically all about what you wear. So as you can see, I could even wear short hair as a woman face and woman body, or I could have a hybrid of these two types. So if I want a male torso, as you can see, a man torso with women limbs and woman head, I could do that as well because you can customize everything on Roblox. That's what makes this game so great. You can customize your outfits, you could add whatever you want. It's a really, really fun game that I do recommend playing. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just go on ahead and search for the basic things that you'll need. Like the basic things is that they'll give a beginner player because it's absolutely for free. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.